Chi in her family, ano siya eh, like, I mean, I can really say na parang siya yung siya yung wife material.
Marrying
so,
type.
Siya marrying type. Pero, of course, like what I always say, marami pa siyang mga pangarap. Marami pa akong mga pangarap. So, we're taking our time. Dahan-dahan lang. Pero I can, like, you know, be bold as to say na she's really wife material. So, parang mabait, down to earth, and her family, and can't say more good things. Tapos pati family ko eh, tanggap na tanggap si Chi.
Pero alam niya, alam ni Chi ang priority mo.
Yeah, saka alam ko rin priority niya. So, ano rin siya eh, kumbaga, magkaiba kaming phase ng aming mga career. Kumbaga, up and coming siya eh. Ako, I'm like trying to cement myself, you know what I mean? So parang, for me, parang syempre yung mas objective ko, makahanap mga ganitong klaseng role, yung mga sinasabi ko sa inyo, to show them something they've never seen before. Siya kasi, I strongly urge, tanggapin mo lahat. Show them everything, do everything, and do it all together. Kasi it makes it even more parang amazing to see when they see you dance, act, sing, do it all together, all at once. So, kaya iba kami ng discarte sa ngayon for helping each other out.
Pero Jake,
For now, dun na kami. Parang we're really parang enjoying each day as it goes by, one day at a time. And then parang, for now, kasi parang we have the luxury of time. Kumbaga natapos yung project na Can't Buy Me, natapos yung secretary ko. Parang, it's the perfect time to parang build an even better foundation for the relationship. Kasi, in a perfect world, ang gusto namin, we both want to be busy. We both want to keep working. We both want to keep achieving.
Pero ang ganda